Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu esalukwazi sendoda lesugogo Bathini Mbatha. Ngaza ukuthi namhlanje ngicela sikhulume ngecommitment, ngokuyinikela. Sengizwile izitori eziningi ngane zakwethu. Solo mkhulu umkhakha wokwelapha. Gogo into zamayilungi, gogo kunjena, gogo kunjena. Gogo senguzame konke. Ngiyakuthanda lokho ke. Yabona leyo term leyo uyizwa almost every day. Gogo senguzame konke. Gogo akukho la ngaya ngakhona. And most of the people, if ever they've been to Mozambique, it's like they've been to the end of the world when it comes to umuthi. Gogo ngibuye ngaphethe lutho. Okay. The question is, are you committed entweni osuke uyenza? Uyayinikela yini ngakho konke entweni osuke uyenza? Right? You went to Mozambique, you went to Gogo Bathini Mbatha, you went to other traditional healers to look for help. Bakunika lento bakunika yona ukuthi uhambe uyisebenzisa. Whether isigubhu, whether imithi njena, whether izinhlanga zemali, whatever le abasuke bakunika yona. The question is, uyimisele kangakanani wena ekshintsheni impilo yakho? Wena ke manje ake siyeke ke lo muthi ngoba umuthi ukhokhele. That's why you complaining ukuthi umuthi akusebenzeli ini omunye umuntu uke wakutshela nokuthi ukuthi wena umuthi akusebenzeli ini. No, I've always said it. Ayikho indaba ukuthi umuthi akusebenzeli. Kunezinto esuke ifuna ukwenziwa before ungasebenzisa umuthi. That's why umuthi usungakusebenzeli. Right ke usulandile umuthi or you are planning ukulanda umuthi usukhathele ukhokha and everything. Yini wena osuyenzile that you are saying to yourself you are committed in what you are doing? There is no way your business can survive if ever uthatha imali ye profit eyenzwe isigubhu, eyenzwe imithi, eyenzwe ama boys la olandile eMozambique, eyenzwe whatever. If you're going to take that money uyoyidla no snare, are you still gonna blame umuthi? If you're gonna take that money and go and spend it nabangani koshisa nyama and then ufike uthi hayi ngifuna ukuyobanyisa, ngifuna ukuyobabonisa ukuthi mina ngubani, ngiyoba isikhothane mina lapho ngisuke ngiyakhona. How committed are you in what you are doing? You are in tenders, you are making money and everything. All you know is to buy expensive clothes, to buy expensive cars, to rent luxury places. You don't even buy a house, you're renting. And you've got your tender. Khanyisa itender njena eyodwa. Usuyahamba wena ke manje uyothenga zonke lezi zinto lezi and everything because uthi ufuna ukufita in. Is that the commitment? Are you still gonna blame issue ukuthi umuthi awusebenzele and everything? Usukusebenzela umuthi. Umuthi usuyidlala irole yawo, wasebenza umuthi uyasebenza, you pushing abantu bayabona nabe and everything, and then wena you living a big life ongayi afford basically. So who are you going to blame? How committed are you shows in what you are doing. You cannot tell me ukuthi you are committed in starting a business, you want to start a business, but there's nothing that you're doing. There's nothing. You're doing nothing towards starting a business. You want to change your life, but still you are doing nothing. You are sitting, you are in the same place. You have registered a company 60 years ago. That company iyakweleta ama returns, isizi ilokhuzane ikuthi registration. You are not even aware you've opened a business account, it's closed and everything, and then you go around telling people to mina ngine CK kodwa umsebenzi anguthola. Ubani wathi kune CK umsebenzi wezela kwena? How committed are you in what you are doing? Because you busy blaming inyanga. Yazi ngibuya kusinyanga usiba inyanga usibani bani in nanya stop from there. I'm not interested in knowing ukuthi ukwahamba kubani ukurobhile in ngoba nami uzongikhuluma kanjalo kwabanye. Ngoba wena umsebenzi wakho uhamba ungena ezinyangeni and everything, but you are not committing yourself in doing something. ezokuthatha ikuse phambili ngempilo yakho. I know of people, man, who are in businesses, catering, funeral parlor, who are committed, who are working as a family, who are working as a team with whatever partners and everything. Abapushayo ngempela. I get calls every day. Umuntu athi salwa sendoda ubambe ngakho. I get calls every day. I'm not promoting myself. I'm not angishayile sami siginqa and everything. But all I'm saying, Guti, I can show you messages that I receive daily. People at Salwa Sendota ubambe ngakho. Not because of Salwa Sendota sends a young kid. No, I come with my own 100%. You must come with your own 100%. Then we have 100%. That's how it works. So there is no way you are going to move from where you are to where you want to be if you are not committed in what you are doing. Gogo, I've started a business, taxifier, Uber and everything, but things are not going well. Yes, because when a man get a message, a pick up when I walk when usecherin. When a man to have your pick up, and your phone is off. So how do you expect to see Uguti your Uber business is doing well if ever you are not committed in it? When I'm out with the mali encane awukwazi wena ubeka imali. Then you claim ukuthi egogo yazi imali yaphe. There's a difference between ukuhamba kwemali ungayiboni yenzani nokuthi uyayibeka uthi usibekile mawusuthi usuyenza lento leyo imiselo ukuyenza vele qhamuke isifo vele qhamuke ini uzosokuhluka ingane isishile ngapha ingane iyagula ngapha in uyayizwa into le. Then fanele sibheke ke manje ukuthi kungani njalo uma ubeka imali phezulu wenye ubeka ishumi phezulu kwelinye la uthi usuthi usebenzisa upondo wakho bese uqhamuka enye into njena ebalulekile futhi ukuthi uyenze. That's a different case. Let's look at this one again. Awuyibeki wena imali. Wena uthola imali ekseni ntambama uyayispenda. Wena every month wena uthenga iteki elidurayo, uthenga perfume edurayo, wena ufuna ukufita in nabangani ongazi ukuthi bona imali bayenza kanjani. I've seen people in restaurants ubone kulela tafula lelana ukuthi no, there's 5 guys abahleli lapha and 3 ladies abahleli lapha, but there's one guy ophethe ibill yabo bonke and lo oquiet ohleli ngale udonsa umoya wakho ubone ukuthi uyena onemali kubadlula bonke, but lo ofuna ukuspenda, lo ofuna ukuyena ofuna ukukhokha, ofuna ukubonakala einganeni ubani yilo ongenayo iplan B. What is your plan B? We cannot keep on blaming abelaphi ndabuko sithi hey mina sengibahambile abelaphi ndabuko abangisizanga lutho gogo ngithwasile umsebenzi wami umile and everything. Abantu bayafika esigodlweni wena banika imithi mahala. Abakini bakunike umsebenzi wedlozi ukuthi uphile ngawo wona ukhip imithi mahala. Abakini bakunika umsebenzi wedlozi ukuthi ube nekusasa ngawo wena umuntu mayefika uyamenzela nje into. Hayi mina gogo yazi ngeke ngabi nandaba umuntu mayekhokhile ukhokhile mangakhokha ngakhokha, then why do you say umsebenzi wakho uvalekile? Because abantu bayahamba bayakhuluma bathi hayi mongayi lapha akhokhwa lapha uzokusiza umuntu wakho uyasebenza futhi kodwa futhi namakhokhisa ukhokhisa imali encane. People bazokhohlisa bathi ya mina umuntu osebenza ngobona ngokuthi umuntu akhokhisa imali encane. It's up to you. But uthwasile uhambile wayephehlweni wawenza umsebenzi wedlozi, but still you are not progressing in life for simple reasons. You are not committed in what you are doing. You start a business today. I've been there. You start a business today and you expect the results tomorrow. If you don't see the results tomorrow, you close the business. Then we should back targeted. I've been there, I've done that, I've said that. And it's not working. Impilo engekho committed ayinawo ama results azokwisa phambili. Hambi yolala khohlwa. If you're not committed, don't expect any positive results. Forget it. We ran a funeral parlor. We just had a member that matured, 6 months waiting period, iphelile. Kufanele simngcwabele ithambo lakhe. Imali sekayikhiphile within 6 months kupolice athi ayithathile is 600 rand. If value yomngcwabo somenzala yona is 15,000 rands. But if I was not committed in a funeral business, funeral services, I was going to deny paying this person. Ngibe neyitori. Then ngakusasa kuthiwani ungalinge ube member elokwalamathongo funeral services abangcwabani beza neyitori bayizigebengu, and then your business goes down. Why? Wena ube yisigebengu. There is no way you can expect a positive results if you are not committed into your business. When last did you read an article about the industry you are in? When last? When we are peeling, we are peeling when njena ujothi uyazama. You know, like these people abathi umbuzo uthi wenza umsebenzi imuni uthi hayi ngiyabamba bamba nje okuvelayo ngiyabamba bamba njena kwesinye isikhathi nje ngiyabamba bamba kuma tender kwesinye isikhathi. Guys, tender it's not a business, it's a finder. Yingakho imithi yakhona idula, imithi yakhona inzima ukuyihlanganisa. It's because it's not a solid business. It's a game. It's a game indaba yamathenda nganza kwethu. Have amathenda work and everything, then have a concrete, a solid business that you focus on. Then say nyababa nasemathendeni, then I'll listen to you. But if you focus only kumathenda, they'll tell you abake bafike ekhaya bazolanda igroup. Ngiyangutshela ukuthi within 3 months fanele usuqale something ozobhekana nayo ke manje ngqo. Ngani zakwethu angimelana ngithi commit yourself in everything that you are doing if you are expecting positive results. If you're not, then don't expect positive results if you're not committed. Because you'll keep on blaming people. Usibani bani useyintweni uhluleka ukungiphi tender. Ubra wami usibani bani useyintweni kodwa njena yazi wegogo uyahluleka njena ukungiphi tender ilokhuzana ubra wami ukuprocurement uyahluleka njena ukhipha ispan. Awuna ne-email address, awuna ne-email domain usasebenzisa Gmail. That's how not committed you are. Email domain, it costs around 50 rand a month to have an email domain so that you present yourself professional out there. Awunayo. You change numbers day in, day out, but you're saying people I've been there. I'll always talk about things that have been there. I've heard that. Manti yakhuluma athi avula cell phone. Athi number yakho ethi 079 10111 iphi. Ngithi leyo number leyo angisayisebenzisi. Athi okay. Ayi kuma send SMSs. Athi funda la. Hi Bathini Mbatha, please submit a quote as soon as possible. There's a job I want to give you. I want you to cover something emafike. Your quote must be around 30,000. It's gone. That deal is gone because ngishintsha number. Why? Ngibalekela usibani bani. Then I decide to change my identity because your number is your identity. Then ngiyeke usambodi. That's why the number I'm using today is the same number as last year, 5 years ago, and everything. If you go to internet, you'll always find the same number. Why? Because I'm committed now in what I'm doing. I know what I want. Salwa sendo to Gogo Bathini Mbatha Mkhuphulangwenya Village 082 833 4063. Commit to everything that you are doing. Then expect positive results. Emutini. Without that, you are wasting your time. gogo@bathinimbatha.co.za, gogo@bathinimbatha.co.za, info@africanclinic.co.za, info@africanclinic.co.za. Ngani zakwethu, stay blessed. Thokozani.